Hi friends, today let's see how to make delicious fruit cake. Take 1 cup of milk and add 1 spoon of vinegar. Mix it well. In another bowl, put 1 cup of maida, quarter cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoons custard powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half tablespoon baking soda, half tablespoon salt. Mix everything well. Now add half tablespoon of vanilla essence to the mixture of milk and vinegar. Add half cup of powdered sugar. Add quarter cup of cooking oil and mix well. Then add powder mix to it. Mix it well. And add quarter cup of milk and mix it like this until it becomes smooth. Put the tutti frutti on a plate. Add a tablespoon of maida and mix it well. Then add it to the cake mix. Add it inside the cake mold. Pour some tutti frutti on a top. And bake it 160-degree temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the delicious fruit cake is ready. Cut into small pieces and serve. If you like this, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.